Hi friendship! This is Selena. May good news ako sa inyo. May mga na-receive akong request at suggestions na mag-vlog din ng ibang stores. Guess what? Wish granted! Nandito ako ngayon sa HomeGoods. So this one is for you and to everyone else na gustong makakita ng hopefully at a lower price ng mga gamit sa bahay. So halika, pasok tayo sa loob. Tignan natin kung merong magandang sale dito. Pero sigurado ako magandang item sa loob. Come on, para mag-peek and peek. Let's start with this 6 drawers storage trolley. Made of plastic niya siya, pero durable naman, at saka clean inside and out. Yan, tapos yung pinaka-table niya, made of metal. Ayan siya, elegant looking, di ba? Ang price niya is $39 and $99. Okay, this one is another stand organizer, 3-tier. It's made of abaca. Nung hinawakan siya, it's a soft touch. Maganda yung quality niya. Yan, $39 and $99 din siya. Ito yung ano naman to, yung mga steel metal mesh. Ayan, iba-ibang shape. $39 and $99 siya. Parang round, almost round. May black siya. And then, may pink sa likod niya. Ito naman yung rectangle shape organizer, 3-tier also, white color, and the price is $49 and $99. Meron din siyang another color at the back, which is black. Next one is reversible drying mat. Ayan, iba-ibang kulay, iba-iba ang design. Merong brand din na iba-iba, Truly Lou, may Cuisinart, may KitchenAid. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Reversible drying mats. Ang price niya is $9 and $99. Ayan siya, oh. Pick your choice. Nakalagay dito, absorbent microfiber. Yan. Okay, and this one is the 3-tier server, or pwede rin namang fruit stand, made of metal wire. Ayan siya, oh. Kulay black siya, elegant looking. Yan, sa backside, sa side view. Ang price niya is $16 and $99. Oh, ayan, 3-tier server. Maganda yan sa kitchen, sa counter, sa table. And this is the spice rack organizer. Gusto ko siya kasi, ayan, pwede siyang isabit sa wall. And spacious also. Siguro mga kakasya 15 spices, bottle of spices. 5 spices per level. Ayan, ang price niya is $8 and $99. Okay, dito naman tayo sa maraming frames. Hope you will enjoy here. Ipo-focus ko yung prices. Pag nakita kayo ng red, that means it's on sale. Enjoy! move on. Dito naman tayo sa mga decorative bowl. Ayan, yung light peach pink na yan. It's $12.99. Meron siyang base or stand na maliit. Ayan, ito naman $9.99. May base din siya. So, pwede nyo paglagyan ng prutas, pwede nyo paglagyan ng candies on top of your table. Ang cute siya. Ito kaibahan nito, $5.99 siya. Wala siyang stand. Parang plate lang siya, ganyan. So, this one, itong $39.99 na candle holder. It is so beautiful and unique. Beautiful, lalo na in person. Dito sa actual. Ito yung lalagyan ng candle and to cover the candle. Yan. It's $39.99. Ayan. Nakakasosyal. Ayan o. Yan, ilagay. Yan. And then, now, dito naman tayo sa silicone utensil set. Yan, 4 siya. Merong spatula, 1 whisk, and then 1 basting brush. And then, turner. Ang price niya is $7.99. Okay na siya, di ba? 4 with that price. And then, ito naman yung 3-piece tong set. Not tong, it's tong. For salad and pasta at $6.99. This one is large plastic bowl. It's a melamine plastic, lemon shape, yellow color. Malaki din siya. Ganda niya. Actually, sturdy. Nung hawakan ko siya, mukhang matibay. And price is $12.99. Ito naman ang jewelry organizer or holder. Ayan o. Ano siya, parang ang dami niyang mailalagay at $19.99. Para ito, kinunan ko lang ng picture para idea for how much you can put on that organizer. And if you want a little more elaborate jewelry organizer, ito, kulay gold, and then $7.99 ang price niya, and then the silver one. Tapos iba rin yung base, iba-iba rin yung base niya. Yan. So, yan o. Lagay nyo lang yung ring, pwede yung mga bracelet, and more. Dako naman tayo dito sa trash can with pedal bin. Marami siyang iba't ibang design. Pwede sa nakalagay dito kitchen, pero pwede rin naman sa bedroom or anywhere. Authentic kitchen, pedal bin, trash can. Ito, sampulan ko yung pedal niya. Pero nasa shelves kasi siya, kaya hindi umangat all the way through. Pero syempre, everything is okay naman. So you have different colors, different designs also at $12.99. Ayan o. Next one is this functional table. Kala nyo simple lang siya? I don't think so. The price is, kaya siya hindi simple kasi $69.99 siya. Edge table. Ayan. You can play here, you can work here using your gadget. Pero what's so cool on this table is, ayan, meron siyang outlet, meron din siyang pang USB. So, continuously magagawa nyo yung ginagawa nyo without interruptions kasi nakahook na yung mga gadget nyo. Tika, bakit ang dilim? Light, please. Oh, thank you, lampshade. Ayan. Hope you will enjoy these lampshades with different sizes, different prices, and different designs.
All
And this one is the LED neon sign. Sign is create table light with USB connection. Okay, it's so attractive, colorful, and this one is dream big. Yes, we should dream big. Oh, ayan, friendship. Sana may nagustuhan kayo dun sa mga na-featured ko for today. At kung meron kayong iba pang interesadong item na gustong makita ang prices dito, at saka yung quality na rin, I mean, i-describe ko yun. Just put that in the comments para ma-line up ko sa susunod kong vlog. Okay? So, for the meantime, please like and subscribe so you will get updated sa mga susunod ko pang products na ipapakita dito. Okay, pick and pick.